And they said that Chairman Wontumi will be no. And so can say, make you not help me. Hey, make you not help me. Abuzia. Obekaya, ever since ya two about MPP go back to opposition. And even wakwa NDC asset no. Oh, mo bese omunya no mu twi ni mu pass. Ema ni mote. Chairman Wontumi. All because of galamsey na. And no. National Security Council for Akko ready ni fie Kumase. In fact, they have massacred the house. Omako ready fie no hard one. Ama Chairman Wontumi asusumu tinisu. Aha Penyah Block Media. Let's watch any game. Over like a video no that room. Over subscribe button. Over click bell notification for the latest updates. Now better watch in the mama. Comments. I just obaswa. No she video more plus enya bi ahwe. Etubekaya about a month ago. And about newsroom say Chairman Wontumi na akonta mining concession no. License at the man now, a woman need to operate no. Ya revoke that particular license. And in an say, I contact mine and not just say it is linked to some rivers beer in so no air say. And in your Chairman Wontumi, the Galam say site. And I say in so a honor that rivers being now wa. Just say Obekaya that in so no bakone de Lance Minister, that is Emmanuel Amakofibua. Ana or Tinisuno. Aha, that particular video, yes, not a year. You know, the aftermath of Chairman Wontumi, the Galamsey activities, the 18 course. That's the commission, and now no pay. And the Chairman Wontumi, fear a Kumase. National Security Council, Omni Police Surveyor, National Investigative Bureau, in collaboration with Ghana Police Service, Ekambomu, Eko ready Chairman Wontumi, the fear a Kumase. And now no pay, the fear. Wontumi know your minister. Wontumi know your dear. Wontumi know your dear. If you are not close to any part of here, I will not run, sir. I will not run, sir. Hey.
Oh, Charlie, I want to see.
Boy, I'm gonna meet you.
Oh, Charlie, I want to see.
Boy, I'm gonna meet you.
On your screen now are visuals of what's happening currently at a location we know is the residence of Chairman Wontumi, the NPP's Ashanti Regional Chairman. And I will try and connect to Nanaya Ojima to have an update on that. Nanaya, if you can hear me, what's happening now?
Presently, some of the national security operatives and the police teams are presently on the ground. And the information that we have is that there's now a command for them to leave this premises. So they are in the process of exiting the area. Presently, the national security operatives are flying a drone over the house of Chairman Wontumi. And this is one thing that some of the MPP members, especially the legal committee of the NPP here, want to see exactly how things are going or how they are going about this business. So lawyer Kuti and also Mr. Adam Akia, who happens to be the secretary of the NPP in the Ashanti region, they are the two people who are overseeing what exactly the national security operatives are doing outside the premises of Chairman Wontumi. So there is an operative who has a drone, and he is using the drone to fly over Chairman Wontumi's house, and it's being supervised by some of the leadership of the New Patriotic Party in the Ashanti region. Presently, the information that I'm getting from the MPP sympathizers who are gathered here is that they've reached an agreement for the national security operatives to leave. So early this morning, these national security operatives, a joint team of police and National Investigation Bureau operatives came to the house of the NPP chairman in the Ashanti region, Bernard Siako, and they came with a search warrant. A court has given them the permission to search the house of Chairman Wontumi to find some valuables or some exhibits that could lead them to a crime that has been committed by the NPP chairman. So we have pictures of this search warrant that they came in here with, and they seized all the exits to Chairman Wontumi's house, and they started working with. They started ensuring that they get exhibits and other information that will help in their investigations. It led to some of the NPP leaders coming to this area to actually supervise or oversee what exactly is happening here. So this is where we are now. The operatives seized all exits. They didn't allow any people to enter or leave the house. It's unclear if Chairman Wontumi himself is within the premises, but the operatives went in there and conducted their business. And with time, some of the NPP executives and other notable persons within the NPP all came around upon hearing this information, and they came to stand around and also be at the gate in solidarity with Chairman.
Well, we'll try and reconnect with Nanaya or have him to reposition so we can hear him clearly. But basically what you're seeing on your screen is footage of NPP sympathizers at the residence of Chairman Wontumi, Mr. Bernard Siako. He is the NPP chairman for the Ashanti region, and earlier this morning we're told, or information reaching us, is that a joint police and national security operatives surround Chairman Wontumi's residence. And Nanaya has just been giving us an update about how a drone is being flown on at his residence to be able to pick more information. But let's get clarity. Nanaya, if you can hear me, and so you say that just bring some clarity. So the national security operatives have flown a drone in attempt to find what exactly? You say that the search warrant is to search for what exactly?
So it's unclear why they had to fly a drone here on the premises. But what I can say is that operation that they undertook, they had the NPP secretary, regional secretary, who happens to be a legal officer or a legal professional overseeing that, and also another member of the NPP legal team, Lawyer Kusi, was also here to see exactly what they were trying to attain with the drone. But I can see that these people are still on the operation. The national security operatives are still flying the drone over the house of Chairman Siako. I would attempt to speak to some of the legal officers within the NPP to get exactly what the national security operatives are looking for by flying a drone.
What I say, Domukwena Uniho, lucky for him. Omukwena Chairman Wontumi, any fee, Emma, ne fans, ne supporters, any some of the NPP supporters, it's echo hormone, echo easy that particular tension, echo culture people, Omunko, their cost on airtime, call Richard Dakwa, or persuade rate, Jodo Senko, and all government, Wilmo, and San and above. Atonium. You can serve that person with a court, summon, then court, but just to raid the person's house as if say, criminal be a declared wanted and fugitive there, and you're nice. And you're not as if a buyer, and a Chairman wants me to share your opinion on that.
02073. It's me, I know, and I'm a friend, it's our friend. And I'm a catcher and say, okay, my name is Lawyer Nakata, until Monday at the back. And I was saying, letter. Now, sir, to receiving notice on Saka. Natural, sir, over Monday. Media Mano. I name is sorry, I know me this year. I'm not for the way than the fear anymore, sir. I be an I bought to walk my free young family, and I'm so up. For the I didn't want to be here. I want to be here. What the boss is here, and I would say, police force on my friend. Say, I'm about to say, and you, and I'm too okay, my sister. I'm gonna come with the mammy, no. My responded the amount. It's a head dinner, what's it, Chairman? I don't hear. Man, Chairman said you see a command, Miss Solomon found that. And I'm saying no. And yes, such as idea, my friend police for now, my friend, my friend police for the say. I know I'm on a pay. I'm on country on to I'm going to be a more chairman Monday. And to me, dear, we need president to that. We need vice president to that. We now board the soda. We need CEO that. We need minister that. We need government appointee the other. And I mean, government to me. It is dear, and that's not time. I don't think I'm busy for my person. I can't for my point. That Yaku for my point. That's a fear me no can say. Make that suit me see anymore. Me no more. I won't be see anymore. More Yanu is the police for after me. Number I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here. That you. That is so fear me no can say. We won't be see anymore happy. We won't be see anymore say.
Omo de baba fa wo say yesebra omo kitakra tabia
omo kwa tabia ma only to follow no de kata bi e only to follow na de kata ba e only to follow de kata
na BNI for the buy no omo ni police for na de kata ba na kasa kra to be be no omo wa police for invite to be no wa say
my prime minister of fair ni say here o se ono omo country ya say omra also mon country obi a omra
then e koso Ghana so ti yaka say no wa mo da so wo fie say wa mo be fa wako
mi fie de omu ni o mi fie de omu tiri wa mi fie na omo do omo ka ta block mi die nyina gina ha sei ye nyina gina mi fie ha sei o ba mi fie o ya udru the view a obo for village in and the crystal rose aye the kwa bi da ho ya you know the fie so to me answer you fie you want to hear you know I will just see a omo kula nipa ba 20 but ye gina ha sei we are not moving.
The Ashanti region MPP sympathizers.
You Mahama, what I say? Me, most of my broken account. Me, my school food. Me, next time, so the enemy. And your mother said, I'm going to make fast for. Me, you know, my tip quiet. Me, Mahama, I didn't know to be here. I didn't know to be here. I didn't know me. I didn't know to be here. I didn't know to be here. Ya wo ya Ghana haya, you be wo Ghana haya. Ya wo ya Ghana haya. Ya wo ya Ghana haya. Ya wo ya Ghana haya. Ada dia ya. But who didn't come as minister baba here? First conference Gallup state. And I me be here. Me so me aya is anya no clear. Me how do me call order? Me call order. Say o ba bia so mo ye. O pese wo ye Gallup state no. And pending for mo free chrome ho. And the farmers are almost free chrome ho. Obi a try to come to me. Omo go me order. No. Some boy am o kan what me will leave. But I don't call me near Juma ho. Boy try mo kan what me near Juma ho. Me near Juma ho. Me ma wo bia wura me. Me ka some family court. Ma for man ko. And me de mo court. Me de mo court say I am comfortable to move evidence and yes, I will I give us some view. And I ban your for 2 years. No, I really. 1 minute. 1 minute, yeah, you are the president of Ghana. And the other, and you may view. baby, Muhammad, your baby, Muhammad, your baby, Muhammad, your baby, Muhammad, your baby, what the tattoo, Majuma, Pesta, what I stop in a Juma, and your baby, my country, what time, and your baby, Muhammad, your baby, and your baby, Muhammad, your baby, and your baby.
Bemane kasa. Onim, Chairman, niya kwaso no obia ntimi ewura na omo bia ntimi fa unko ba bia because say one reply letter na say Monday na abekọ Monday no obekọ na akwakosia omo.
Me send letter no, and me response. Any police for the any na dia browses dia.
Chairman me train any.
Dia browses dia. Na mo publish and fan to TV so am obia who says dia.
Right.
I was away in somewhere no. National Investigative Bureau and the Ghana Police Service for a Cambomo, a choir, a watch, and I want to be fear I will come. Is that a minor there? I'll be any penny be the Adiomo pay, and no more without the law, the Omo pay, and a Omoya. So, I have mamma, our comment session. I have Penyah Media.